Every Claude plus Google Docs tutorial shows you the same 3 clicks and skips the one thing that actually matters, whether Claude can edit your document or just read it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one it is and how to actually use it to get real work done. This is lesson 8 and it kicks off a new module, Cloud and Google Workspace. Over the next 3 lessons, we are covering docs, sheets and slides. We have to connect Google Drive to Claude. There is no dedicated connector or extension for Google Docs yet. Let's connect Google Drive. Open the sidebar and click Customize. Click Connectors. You'll find the Google Drive connector here. If not, click Browse Connectors and search for Google Drive. Click it, then click Connect. Sign in with your Google account and approve the permissions. That's it. Google Drive is connected. And this only takes a minute the first time. As you can see, I have this document in Google Drive. I have this Google Doc with my Q3 marketing reports, just bullet points, no real structure yet. Now let's open a new chat in Claude. Click the plus icon next to the prompt box. Click Add from Google Drive. Here's my outline doc, Q3 marketing report. I'll select it. Now I'll write a prompt. Turn this outline into a full polished report. Use clear section headings, expand each bullet into 2 or 3 sentences and keep the tone professional. Press enter, watch what happens. Claude pulls in the outline and drafts a complete report, headings, expanded sections, transitions between ideas, not just a reworded bullet list. Now, here's the part that actually matters and that many tutorials miss. This report is sitting in the Claude chat right now. It is not in my Google Doc yet. The simplest way to fix that, copy this, open my Google Doc and paste it in. But there are 2 more options. I can click that download button up there to download a doc file and then re-upload it, or I can click this Google Drive button. A new document will be saved directly with no copy pasting or uploading needed. So, here's what Docs and Claude can actually do together right now. Next lesson, we move to Google Sheets. Messy data in clean formulas and a dashboard out. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.